Now that we have Python installed on our system, it's time to write our very first Hello World program. But before we can write our Hello World program, I would like you to create our very own directory structure so that we can organize all of the code in a much better way. So for that, I would like you to open up your Finder, or if you're on a Windows, just open up any window and navigate to the place where you want to create the folder. So I'm just going inside my home directory, and here I'm going to create a folder by the name of Modern Python 101. You can create this folder wherever you want. After this, I'm just going to open up my Visual Studio Code, and I'm going to drag this folder inside my Visual Studio Code. Okay, so here we are. Here I'm going to create one more folder, and I'm going to name it as 01 introduction. Let me spell it right. And inside this folder, let's create our very first Python program. So let's create a file inside of this, and I want you to name the file as hello world.py. Always make sure that we have the extension as .py. So .py stands for a Python file. And right now what we are going to do is we are simply going to print hello world to our terminal. A couple of lectures ago, we have seen how to do it online by using a Python online compiler. But in this video, let's try to do it on our local machine. Let me just collapse my sidebar. The first thing that I want you to write here is an inbuilt function by the name of print. So basically what we are trying to do is we want to tell Python, hey Python, I want you to print hello world. And that's it. Now I want you to open up your terminal, and inside this terminal, let us see how we can execute this file. I'm inside my directory of Modern Python 101. From here, I want to go to my newly created folder 01 introduction. And once inside this folder, I can simply run my file by typing Python followed by the name of the file and just press enter. And here you can see we have the right output of hello world. If you want to change this from hello world to hello Octallium, let's do it. Let us save the file. Again, go back to the terminal. Let me clear up my terminal. Let us try running the file by typing Python followed by the file name one more time. And we have the desired output of hello Octallium. Now typing Python and hello world.py all the time becomes a little boring. In order to automate this task, we are going to install one more extension, and this time the name of the extension is called as Code Runner. So I want you to go to your extensions tab, and I want you to search for Code Runner. This is the plugin. Make sure you install this plugin. Once we have this plugin in place, we can simply run the file. I'll just show you how to do it. Let me close my terminal. Let me close all of this. So once we have the plugin installed, you can simply click on this play icon right over here, and that's going to execute your file. So as you can see, the Code Runner extension actually executed my file, and I have the output of hello world on the screen. So this video was just to give you a small feel of writing Python on our local machine. From the next videos, Python is going to get much more interesting, and we will start to learn all of the basic fundamentals of Python.